this is your girl April coming with another video, and this is a video on my first luxury purchases from Saint Laurent and from Chanel. So let's start with Chanel first. From Chanel, this is how the box came. I have the other box, but it's all the way over there that this actually came in, which it was very nice and luxury. It only took 1 day for this to come. So, and this is like your gift receipt, your receipt right here. I love this, that sleek black, very pretty. And this is how I already opened this, and this is how it came packaged, very pretty. Then this is just a little card, a blank card that I got with it. And then this is what I purchased here. These are actually some samples. I was like, ooh, how nice, the little sample bag. So I got a couple of samples. Let's see what I got. This is, I don't know what this is, and I can't see the writing to tell you. It's so little. I believe, oh, this is a cleansing cream. This is a cleansing cream, and this is eye cream. But I really like this little bag. I'm probably going to put this little bag in my purse or something. And this is what I actually purchased here, was the Chanel mirror. This is the packaging. This is the back of it. I actually bought my sister one from her birthday, and she really liked it. She was like, you really bought me this? I'm like, yeah, it's cute. And then it comes in a little dust bag, the little C's on it, and this is the mirror. Let me see if I can, like, it's just a double-sided mirror actually, so just like that. But that is what I bought from Chanel. This will be cute, pulling it out, checking on me. You're still cute. So that'll be cute, coming out of my handbag, sliding it back in my little dust bag. That'll be real cute. So that's all that I got from Chanel, and that's very inexpensive. It's like 40 bucks. I know my sister was like, before I purchased it, I was telling her I wanted to buy that. She was like, you're gonna spend 40 bucks on a mirror, and I'm like, yeah, but that's a cool little mirror to have. So the next thing I got here is from Saint Laurent, and this is my bag. I actually bought this from, I live by a Cabazon. It's an outlet mall, and I live close by there. I live like 30-45 minutes away, so it's a quick little drive out there. And this is the bag that I got. I wanted a nude bag. This is like a nudie pink, but I feel like this will still go with a lot of things. This, for it to be at the outlet, it was still a little pricey to me, because this bag originally was $2,290, and I got it for $15.99. So I still feel it was a little pricey, because after tax and everything, I think it came to like $1,700. But this is really cute. Let me see what the name of it is. There's a couple of others I want to go back and get. I went to Cabazon yesterday, and I had to not buy one, because I've had this bag sitting here for like 2-3 weeks now. This is called the Jamie Baguette, or Baguette. Yeah, it's called the Jamie Baguette. This is the name of it. Like right here, I believe. I can't see it in the viewfinder, but that's the name of it. It's really cute. The leather feels amazing on this, like amazing. I can't wait to carry it. I can't really stand up right here because it's tight. Let me see how, just so you can see how it looks on my shoulder. Very cute. It gets in there, and I have big arms, so it's big arm friendly. It's not a struggle to get it on at all. It just slides on, slide it off, really easy. So I'm very happy with my purchase. The next bag I want to get is a little black bag, like the same size, because I really don't carry much in my bag. A little wallet, a lip gloss, lip liner, tissue, like Kleenex, I should say, Kleenex. Not too much at all, you know, a couple of girly little products that I like to keep in a bag, but other than that, this bag is a good size for me. It looks small, but you can fit quite a bit of stuff in here. This is like the inside of it, so not, you know, another, this is like your cards, but I mean, it has an inside pocket, which is nice because I could put like my lip liner in here, and that's normally what I do with most bags. I like my lip gloss, I don't like it to be all just rolling around, you know. I had accidents. And then like I like to put like my little what else do I like to put in the side pocket? Like my little perfumes I'll put in there. But this is so cute, I can't wait to wear it. I think I'm gonna wear it today. It'll look cute with my little dress to work. This will look cute. So yeah, so we'll see. I'm going to start buying more luxury things because by the time I buy all these, even though there's nothing wrong, okay, because I have so many Coach bags, so many Dooney & Burt, because Dooney & Burt when I was younger, that was my brand. I had like every bag, every color. I kind of want to sell them now, but then I'm like, no, I love my bags, I love them. And I have so many Coach bags, but you know, there's nothing wrong with black girl luxury, and I want to be a part of that black girl luxury. So I'm gonna start buying me more bags, more shoes, because before I never even looked at them, you know. Like I was looking at some Louis Vuittons the other day, and I always just like figure like these shoes are just way out of my price range. They're not at all, not at all. So I'm like, that's one of my next buys. And plus I live by the outlet too, so I can hoptail down there. Like the outlets, they got Gucci, but the Gucci line, ridiculous. I would have to get there hella early, because I'm not finna wait in no line for no 2 and 3 hours for a bag. I can't do it. I can't. It ain't worth it to me. But they got Gucci, Burberry, they got everything there. So if you do live close by outlet, check out your outlet malls and see what they have available. One of my next bags I want to get too is this Jimmy Choo bag. She bad, she real bad. So you'll be seeing more luxury hauls for me often, because I'm about to start getting my bags and my shoes and my everything. The only thing about the shoes is I have big feet. I wear a size 10, so we got to see how that works. But anyways, beauties, thanks for stopping by and checking out my channel. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Have a good one. Bye, beauties.